Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display, and once you find it, tap on it of course, and here look for the screen timeout, and once you find it, select it. And here we have different durations. We have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and 30 seconds. Select the one you like by tapping on it. And once you select it, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. I set it to 10 seconds, so my screen will turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the screen, the buttons, the screen will turn off to save power. And it will take it 10 seconds, basically. It will wait 10 seconds and then turn off. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.